Hi students, welcome to the channel. Today in this video lecture, we will discuss cloud computing applications. Many cloud service providers provide various applications in different fields. Okay, so most widely used cloud computing application include, first one is art application. If we want to design some attractive cards, booklets, or any type of images, then definitely we can get our application from art application, right? The first application here is MOO, that is Moo. Moo is one of the biggest cloud art application. It is used for designing. It is used for designing and printing what? Printing business cards, postcards, and mini cards. Okay, the main purpose of Moo is printing business cards, postcards, and mini cards. The second example of art application is Vistaprint. This is the most commonly used application. It allows us to easily design various printed marketing products. It is used to print marketing products such as business cards, postcards, booklets, and wedding invitations. Wedding invitation cards. Okay. The third example is Adobe Creative. The third example is Adobe Creative Cloud. It is used for designing artists, filmmakers, used by filmmakers, artists, etc. Mainly we can say that it is used by creative professionals. By creative professionals, right? For example, Photoshop, that is used for image editing, Typekit, etc. Okay, the next point is the second application is business application. Business applications are based on cloud service providers, and as we all know, today every organization requires the cloud business application to grow their business. It also ensures that business applications are 24/7 available to the users. And here we have some common business applications provided by cloud. First one is MailChimp. It is an email publishing. Platform. Okay, it is used to design, send and save templates for email. Second point is Salesforce. It provides the tools for sales, services, and marketing. Right? Third one is Chatter. It helps us to share important information about any organization in real time. Okay, next, the third type of cloud computing application include data storage and backup application, right? Cloud computing allows us to store information in the form of image, audio, video, etc. okay, on the cloud and access this information using an internet connection. As the cloud provider is responsible for providing security, it provides security, so they offer various backup recovery application for retrieving the lost data. Okay. Some examples are Box.com. Box.com. It is an online environment for secure content management, workflow, and collaboration. The second point is Mozy. It provides powerful online backup solutions. The next type of cloud computing application include educational applications. Okay, cloud computing in the education sector become very popular. It offer various online distance learning platforms and student information portals for every student. The advantage of using cloud in the field of education is that it offer strong virtual classroom environment that is easy to access, and also it provide secure data storage. It is also scalable. Here we have some educational applications provided by cloud. The first one is Google App for Education. It is the most widely used platform for free web-based email, calendar, document, and collaborative study. Second point is Chromebooks for education. It is one of the most important Google's project. It is designed for purpose that it enhances education innovation. The third point is tables with Google Play for education. The fourth point is AWS in education. AWS means Amazon Web Server. It provides an education-friendly environment to universities, community, college, and schools. The last application provided by cloud is entertainment applications. Entertainment industries use a multi-cloud strategy. It uses a multi-cloud strategy to interact with target audience. Cloud computing offers various entertainment applications such as online games. It includes online games and video conferencing. First, we discuss online games. Today, cloud gaming becomes one of the most important entertainment media. It offers various online games that run remotely from the cloud. For example, some games are Vortex, Project X Cloud, PlayStation, etc. Okay, all these are the services through which we can play online games. Second point is video conferencing apps. Video conferencing apps provide a simple and instant connected experience. It allows us to communicate with our business partners. We can communicate with our business partners, friends, and relatives. Okay, using a cloud-based video conferencing. The benefit of using video conferencing are that it reduces cost, increases efficiency and remove interoperability. The next point is management applications. The first management application is Toggle. Toggle helps to track allocated time period for a particular project. Track time period. Okay. Second is Evernote. Evernote allow you to synchronize and save recorded notes or typed notes, etc. Right? All these are about applications provided by cloud servers. Thank you for watching.